Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's teaching. Based on the previous topic, assignment was given. Today, answer to the assignment will now be provided. The first question is, find the distance between the point. We have 2 points here. The first point is 1/2, 1/2, and the second point is -1/2, -1/2. So we are going to answer the first question. We have to find distance. The distance. Remember that in the previous video, our distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1, the square like this, plus y2 minus y1. Now, what is our x2 according to the question? What is our x2 according to the question? Our x2 is -1/2 minus, what is our x1? 1/2. We square everything plus, let me extend the square root because of the next one. Then we have y2. What is our y2? We have it as -1/2 minus 1/2. We square this. So the square root, this is simple mathematical expression. Now, what do we do here? We find the HCM. We find the HCM. What is going to be the HCM? 2. 2 into 2, we have it as 1. So 1 times 1 will remain as 1. That means we are going to have -1/2. Here too, we are going to have 2 into 2 also is 2 into 2, 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1 minus 1. We square everything. Plus, we find the LCM of this, which is 2. Then we are going to have 2 into 2, that's -1. Here also we are going to have -1. We square everything. So our distance is the square root of -1 minus 1. It means you are owing 1 naira in a particular shop and you are owing another 1 naira in another shop. So your total debt will be 2. That's -2/2. Let's square it, plus the same thing applicable to this, -2/2. We square this. Therefore, we are going to have the square root of 2 goes into 1 time. That means we are going to have -1 here because of the negative sign, square, plus the same thing applicable, -1 because of that. So we are going to have the square root of 1 times 1. That is, that minus times minus becomes plus. And 1 times 1 is 1, plus minus times minus becomes plus. 1 times 1 becomes 1. That means the distance becomes 1 plus 1 here will give us 2, the square root of 2. That is the final answer to the first question. That is the final answer to the first question. Now, in the second question, we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the straight line, joining the point M, where we have 6 and 10, 6, 10, and N, point N, where we have 2, 4, 2. So, number 2. Midpoint. Remember that midpoint is equal to x2 plus x1, over 2, y2 plus y1 over 2. Therefore, we are going to have, from that what is our x2? x2 is equal to, from the question, x2 is equal to 6, x1 is equal to 4. Our y2 is equal to 10, while our y1 is equal to 2. So we now want to put these figures into this parameter that we have here. So that means we are going to have x2, which is 6, plus x1, which is 4, everything over 2, comma, and our y2, which is 10, plus 2, everything over 2. So that means we are going to have 6 plus 4. What will it give us? It will give us 10 over 2, comma, and we are going to have 12 over 2. What is 10 over 2? That is 10 divided by 2. That means we are going to have 5, comma, then 6 as our final answer. So look at solution to the assignment given in the previous video. Like I told you that there's going to be a video that will provide answer to the question given. So look at solution to the question given in the previous video. So I hope you understood all that has been taught today. So I want you to keep on watching our video until we come again in the next video with more exciting topics. Do have a great day.
All right, let's do.
Now, we want to solve the second question. Now, find the coordinate of the midpoint of a straight line joining N. Number 2, joining N, which is 6 and 10, 6, 10, and N, 4, 2. Now, here our x1 is this, our y1 is this, our x2 is this, our y2 is this. So going by the formula, our midpoint is equal to, open bracket, that is x2 plus x1 over 2, then we have y2 plus y1 over 2. So that means we are going to have, what is our x2? We come to this place, that is 4, plus, let's use our open bracket, plus the x1 is 6, everything over 2, then here, what is our y2 here? We have it as 2, plus our y1 is 10, everything over 2. So that means we are going to have 4 plus 6 will give us 10. 2 plus 10 will give us 12 over 2. So that means our final answer will be 5. Here will give us 6, because 2 here 1, 2 in 5, 2 in 10, 5. 2 here 1, 6. So our final answer here is 5 and 6. That is the midpoint. Now you remember that I gave you this assignment in the previous video, and I told you that solution to the assignment will be given in the next video. So this is the solution to the assignment given. Hope you understood all that has been taught. So do have a great day until I see you in the next video that will come your way with exciting topics.